What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the GeForce Experience application is not starting or otherwise not working properly on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. GeForce Experience is a valuable application utilized by many to optimize their game settings and keep drivers updated. One common reason the app is not opening could be a corrupted or outdated NVIDIA graphics card driver. To address this, consider reinstalling your NVIDIA graphics card driver. Begin by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Under the Display Adapters category, right-click your NVIDIA graphics card driver and choose Uninstall Device. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. Next, head to nvidia.com/download. On this page, select the graphics card series, your operating system, set the driver type to Game Ready Driver, and search for your GPU driver before downloading it. After the download is complete, head to your Downloads folder and proceed with the reinstall. Next, restart your PC and proceed to reopen the GeForce Experience application. Another potential solution is to restart the GeForce Experience service. Search for Services in your Start menu search to open your Windows Services Manager application. Locate and double-click the NVIDIA GeForce Experience service. Ensure its startup type is set to automatic and click the Start button if the service is stopped. Apply these changes and look for other related services like NVIDIA GeForce Experience Backend Service and NVIDIA Telemetry Container Service. Apply the same changes to these services as well. Sometimes, antivirus applications can interfere with GeForce Experience. If you suspect this might be the case, try disabling your antivirus temporarily. For those using Windows Defender, navigate to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. In the subsequent window, access the Virus and Threat Protection settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. After disabling the antivirus, check if GeForce Experience launches correctly. If none of the previous methods work, consider reinstalling GeForce Experience. Uninstall the program from your computer by accessing your settings, then head to the App section and search for GeForce Experience under Installed Apps. Click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall. Follow the prompts and the application will be uninstalled from your system. When this is done, head to this page to re-download the application. You can find the link to this page in the video description. Run the GeForce Experience installer from your Downloads folder and the app will open after it's installed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.